know that when I first decided to get a coach, I was coming out of ITN without any, I had all the information, all the education in the course. The course was great, but to implement that, like I said, was the hardest thing for me. And so I felt like I needed to, have you as a coach to help me get there. And you've done really great with pushing me and, showing me the different things and tools that I need to become a great coach, and also, complimenting me on the things that you've seen me do. And I really appreciate that, that belief that you have in me, and the support that you give me and that you've given me. And it's been great, having you to, to be by my side and to, give me the things that you've learned with the coaches that you've had. And I respect that, because you've invested a lot in yourself, to help us. And so I appreciate all of that. I know one of the things that caught me when you said, when we talked in our kind of like session, you said that one of the things that you need to know is that if you're just dependent on social media, that's not going to get you your 5K, just social media. And there's more that you have to do. And so that stuck with me, and that really sold me. That's the thing that sold me, because I wanted to know, like, okay, what is it then? What is the thing that's going to get me the 5K if it's not going to be social media? If it's not going to just be me coming out with my certification, what do I need to do? So that's what really sold me on your course. And I was like, give it to me, I'm going all in, because I really was serious about, becoming an entrepreneur and having this as my full-time job, because I love helping people. I've probably helped people. This is what I've always done, so I appreciate that.
Thank you. That's so amazing how you said that. It really makes me,
Yeah,
thanks.
it's true. It's true. I mean, I was really searching for someone to help me, and I was, in a point where I finished it. I just didn't know where to go, So that's important for people, to have that coach.
So,
You need a coach in everything you do, and I tell people that too. I mean, if they're business people and they're making, even if they're making thousands of dollars, and six figures, they need a coach to help them, a health coach to help them with their health, because no matter how much you're making, your health is your wealth. And so, I feel like those are people that I really want to help too. The people that are out here saying, "Oh yeah, I made six figures last month," but then they're not healthy, and they think they are, but they're just other things. And so to help them with that, biggest takeaway is just using the tools, and implementing what we've learned. Like you said, it's already there, but you have to have the tools to implement it so that it runs smoothly. And so that's what I needed, is to help me make it a actual program to offer those things, and how not to get burned out yourself, to make it easier. Working smarter and not harder,
sure.
is what I got.